This is part 2 of data flow between components in Angular. If you have not watched part 1, please go and watch it. Today our topic is data flow from child to parent component. Okay, so there are two ways we can send data from child to component, that is using @output, and second is using @viewChild decorator. So we will be learning both the ways. So let's start learning. Again, we will take the example of D&D hospital. These data points like parent name, child name is present in our parent component. Okay, let me show you. So it is in like DLD child born data, and it is in app component. App component is our parent component. Okay, and the elements to change the name is present in child component, which is like child of app. Here we have placed the input tag as well as one button which will change the name. So what is the scenario now? So when I will be typing some name here, like Ram, and click on this change child name, the child name here should be changed. Like data point which is present in the parent name should be changed. Okay, so this is the scenario. So we will be coding it now. We will use the first way, that is using @output. So let's start. So I will be declaring @output, which will be a input to a parent component. @output, then the variable name, which will be child name after change. Then I will be initializing it with EventEmitter. Make sure your EventEmitter comes from Angular core. Okay, and so what data we need to pass here to the parent component? We need to pass the child name and index. So for this I have created this type, send data to parent type. So I will be sending data of this type, child name and index. So I will be declaring our EventEmitter of type send to parent data, and I will be send to parent data, and I will be importing it. Okay, so this is the syntax for the output variable. I have made one form control which I have given to the input tag. So this one I have created. Okay, so what we will be doing now, and I have created one function as well, and I have bind that to the click event of the button present in the UI. Okay, so what I will be doing now, I will be creating data const data, which we have to send to parent component, which is of type this one. So I will be giving data type to this, and I will be child name should be this dot child name change child name dot value, and there should be index should be this dot index. After doing this, there is one syntax to emit the data to the parent component. The syntax is this dot this variable name which I have given to the output dot emit, and then we will pass this data to this. And after doing this, what we will be doing, we will be patching this EventEmitter to the parent component. So just make this copy this variable name, go to the parent component, and to get this data which will be coming from the child component, we will be calling one function in app component which will be like patch child name. Okay, so this patch child name we will be calling, which will accept the data type of this send data to parent type. So this is accepting this data type, and this data type only we are sending through child component. Okay, so let's do it now. So let me copy the function name which is present in parent component, and then what I will be doing, I will be making one event which will be pass the event which is coming from output. So what is the error? Error was nothing, it was coming due to extra space. Okay, so we have done the thing. Now we will change this variable which is we are passing to the child component. So what I have done, the data which is I am sending through child component, I am getting this data through patch child name, and I am setting at this index the child name which I am taking from child component. Okay, so let's see in UI that it is working or not. So here is Earth. So I will type the name Ram, and I will change on child name. See, child name is changed. So we have correctly sent the data from child component to the parent component. Similarly, we can do it here also. I will type Syam, and I will click on change child name. See, it is changed to Syam. So data is patching correctly. Okay, so this one was the first way to pass the data from child to parent component. Now we will learn the second way to pass data from child to parent component, that is using @view child decorator. But personally, as a developer, I feel this is not the safe option of using @view child decorator to send data from child to parent, because this is like takes a lot of time, and view @view child doesn't work on initiation of the page or ng on init. It will only work after the page initiation is done. So it is time consuming. So as a developer, we should not use @view child. But is good. But it is good to learn this way also. So let's start now. If you don't want to learn using @view child decorator, then you can stop this video. I won't mind. Okay, so let's start doing coding for @view child decorator. So in parent component, I will be creating a reference of child. Okay, so @view child. Let me copy the child component name. Give the variable name child comp. Okay, let it import it from Angular core. Okay, so what we will be doing, it's loading. Yeah, so we will be typing a name here. Okay, and then we will try to send this data to header. Okay, so that will be our scenario. So let's code. So I will be declaring one variable in child component. I will be calling it as okay, variable is already declared in the form control, so we will be taking this variable in the parent component. Okay, so for this, let's go to parent component, app component, and what we will be doing, we will be declaring one variable here, header name. Okay, first I will be giving it here as string, and I will be typing here DND hospitals. So first name will be like DND hospitals, and then I will try to alter this, and this header name I have to bind it to the HTML. So DND hospital header name. Okay, and then what I will be doing, I will be calling this dot header name equals to this dot header and this dot child component. We will be calling it here. We have declared it child component dot changed child name dot value. Okay, so after doing this, the header after sending the data, the header name should be changed from DND hospitals to the name which we will be giving in child component input tag. Okay, so this is our scenario. So let's see in UI. So in UI, I will be typing ILS hospitals, and I will click on this. See, name changed to ILS hospital, as well as children name has been changed to ILS hospital. This is the first way, and this one was the second way. Okay, so this is the end of our video. Have fun, don't trouble your mother and father, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my video, because I am doing a lot of hard work to make this video, and I am assuming that every one of you will subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you all. Bye.